people, una see this obodo Naija. Wahala dey, no be small wahala na it dey obodo Naija, my people. As I cross this video, I watch to light, my people. No be small something. I weak. No be small matter. Wetin come dey happen for obodo Naija? I don't understand. This video when I won't leave on a morning for watch, my people. E go choke una. Una see this policeman. No be small thing I do, my people. This policeman don dey arrest Nkita. No be small thing. He say where they for they carry the Nkita they come. Now the owner can't let the policeman no say he just they buy the Nkita now. No be small thing. Even people when they gather there, come they mock the policeman, come they let the policeman say whether na Nkita na he wants to arrest. My people, as I cross this one, I watch to lies. May no come beside to talk. Make una just watch this video. Ah, shame catch me. Make una regard it.
No, you get license. No, you carry am put for your motor. If na this thing, I go carry am go station. I know your office. You buy person, you no buy person. I just buy am now for Amazon. I just buy am now. Stop the buy person, but this dog never buy person.
Dog they get license. If you no get license,
I go carry am go your office. I go come your office. I know your office. I go come your office. You go carry am go office. I go carry and go from your office.
Boss, with the dog go station.
Okay, you carry and go office. I go come office.
In the claim right. Now the truth now they tell them dog they get permit. You understand? If you not get them out, this dog is under arrest. I can arrest this dog to station. But you are claiming that the police are going to say no.
Knows what to come.
No, I'm calling you. If not this one, I'm supposed to arrest you.
Now the dog got us. Now the dog got us.
And see, when you come out, you understand? Maybe when you join police, that time you will know that you have power to arrest.
Officer. Last time they won there, now you know to jail. I will sound them.
My people, share on and don't watch am. No be smart. I don't know what it can they happen for this obodo Naija. Ah, so all these people when they wear uniform, some of them I don't know whether they go school. I don't understand. Now Nkita we not commit anything, we not do anything. Now this policeman they ask of a warrant. This one. Say if you not bring everything, come and say he go arrest this Nkita. My people. People when they say Nkita again, now this policeman won't arrest. Wetin can they happen? My people don't understand. This policeman show you all. Wahala really there for this country, my people. Wahala there obodo Naija. No be small thing. Even the owner they explain, they give and say, I just buy am o. Even the Nkita can't do eye woro. Nkita can't they watch Nkita can't they look the policeman. My people. Things are really happening. Not be smart thing. I hear now one for leave. Una thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao everyone. Bye.